guys, hello. Welcome to my video. Bagong duwa ni nga Machine Master. Nako sa Cold Island. So napay nagwait ato sa atuang island nga pinakapangalan nga Plant Island. So please akong friend code kay kani akong friend code din anak ko daghang mga friends. Wala kalimot ko silang friend code ang uban na ni kay mga YouTubers. So ang ako rang ipamute ni tanan para kani ako na rin para makadungog pa rin niya kada makadungog na niya. So guys, ang Plant Island nakakuha kag kuan guys, kanang unsa ni tawag guys ay gajub andro no gajub to no. So mo ni ako nakuha din ako kay 5 torches which is means good and plus I love it, but then nakakuha ko gajub in just only 5 tries man to dro no. 5 tries kay nakuha na ako. Then pero ato ning try kuha ang mga metek pero mga tutas or kanang kuan kanang air, so I can show you all of my monsters in the whole island. So guys, let me just mute this all of my monsters. Okay na nabalik na guys, ako nang gipangunong sila. So ari diri guys, Air Island gamay kay ako ang kuan, pero sa ako ang kani kuan Motor Island guys. So ato sa nang i-mute. So wait, I forgot to mute them. So ari na guys. Well, ari sa to ang kuan guys kay mga kuan ra o patra nya napay kuan di ako pang upgrade guys. So let's go to the Fourth Island. So hello guys, ay balik na sad guys. Nara na sad event man sa kuan kanang update ni sa kuang sa Machine Monster. Ang event nila nga kuan summer pupotrok na diri niya napaka-gi breed diri. So let's go to the another coming in the fire heaven. Well, I kinda breed the glowed. I don't know what is the name. Let me just check it guys. Glow, okay, then Flowa, I got it. Like look, Flowa, I'm only breaking it, but look. So this hole, I kinda got it. I got him from 10. Then I think what is the name of this? I don't know what is the relics. 10 of relics, then you can get it. So nanatayo ni balik ta diri guys, dinahay ni light sa ato si Andro nga sasad ka YouTuber nga nag-record diri sad. Just naghinay-hinay ra mig tingog para dili may mag-con guys. So ara guys. Ha. Then let's hear the sound again. Let's hear the sound. Wala pa na ako guys. Bye-bye! So you don't wanna see me do the unmute them all, so I can stop the video. After that guys, this is my full song. I still don't have the sugar boost and the gas and the job is still in here. So let's unmute all of my monsters and let's unmute the one. Katong nasa Cold Island. So none of the Cold Island. It's actually good, but kung gusto mo magduwag Machine Monster, inyo na rin ang i-download sa Play Store, or I think unsa pala ito para maka-download ka na nito. Android, iPhone, I don't care. App Store. And also if you wanna get good at this game, go to Google, then download Machine Monster on the happy mode. I'm just joking, don't download that. Maybe you will get a virus. So be careful guys. And that's why I don't download it. So I've been playing this game a lot, which is 1 month. I think 1 month. And you're addicted to the you're addicted to the Attack on Titan, bro. Attack on Titan finish, bro. You still addicted to it. So here's all of my island. You can just rest tomorrow. Bye. Bye, guys.